how to make encaustic medium. First, weigh a block of wax. Add that wax to a double boiler. Divide your wax weight by 8 and weigh out that much in damar resin. Add the resin to the double boiler as well. Stir until the ingredients are fully melted and combined. This should take about 10 minutes. While the mixture is melting, prepare your filter container, which should be heat resistant. Place a fine mesh paint filter or piece of cloth over the container opening and secure it in place. Once your mixture is melted, carefully remove the pot from the double boiler and pour the mixture through the filter. Remove the filter containing resin debris and let it drain. Wipe out any debris left in your wax pot with a paper towel. At this point, you can either pour the medium into molds to cool, or you can make colored medium, returning your liquid medium to the double boiler. Add oil paint or pigmented powder in your desired color. Stir until the pigment is incorporated into the medium. Then pour this into molds to cool.